I never want a client to feel that even if they go 6 months or so and they feel bad, that they're scared to come back because their dog has regressed or something, when they're scared that they've kind of lost the touch. I never want them to be scared to reach out to me and be like, hey, can you still help? I haven't done anything for 6 months, but can you still help me now? Of course.
We're never going to judge you.
This is also a very key thing for someone who's thinking about getting their dog trained is if it's done properly, the dog will never forget the training.
Yeah.
It will learn that it's been able to get away with certain things because there's open gaps in the lifestyle where it's been able to take advantage, but it's not going to forget. You can go 6 months, you could go a year or two.
And then we get them back in a session and you can see it's still there.
Instantly.